you can't go fast enough.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O, Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, I decided to shoot this video in my car, right? Because when I'm in my car, guys, I'm truly in the zone. Okay, guys, let's get down to it. You're here for one reason and one reason only. You're looking for a way to make money from home. Make money from home working on the internet. And so, guys, I got a tremendous treat for you guys today. Now, I want to first and foremost thank you guys for opting in. Secondly, guys, I got 4 rules that we must get out of the way before we move forward, right? Number 1, guys, you must do these things if you're going to move forward and you want me to share this information with you. Number 1, you got to commit right here at the door, guys, that you're going to have fun, okay? Number 2, you got to remember to never complicate what it is you're about to see, right? Don't overcomplicate it. Number 3, guys, you must commit to the process, okay? And number 4, you must take action. If you can have fun, if you can not overcomplicate what I'm about to show you guys, if you can commit to the actual process that I'm going to share with you guys, and you can take action, then you can make money on the internet. I know. Action speaks louder than words, so I can show you better than I can tell you guys. So let's get to it.